Welcome back to Soulful Positivity, where we explore ways to empower and uplift ourselves. I'm King Soulful, and today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can truly change the game for entrepreneurs and business owners. We're diving into the world of limited liability companies, commonly known as LLCs. If you've ever wondered what an LLC is and how it can benefit you, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Section 1. What is an LLC? First things first, let's break down what an LLC is. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a legal structure that provides personal liability protection to its owners, who are called members. In simple terms, this means that your personal assets are separate from your business assets. If your LLC faces legal trouble or debts, your personal savings and property are generally protected. Section 2. The benefits of an LLC. The beauty of an LLC is that it's a flexible and straightforward business structure, ideal for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Here are my 4 key benefits. Number 1. Limited liability. As we mentioned earlier, your personal assets are safe from business liabilities. Protect your money. Number 2. Pass-through taxation. Unlike corporations, LLCs are not taxed at the business level. Instead, profits and losses pass through to the members, who report them on their individual tax returns. Number 3. Simplicity and flexibility. The paperwork and formalities required for an LLC are usually less burdensome compared to other business structures. And number 4. Credibility. Having an LLC in your business name can give customers and partners confidence in your professionalism. Section 3. Creating your LLC, Step-by-Step Guide. Now, let's walk through the steps of creating your own LLC. Remember, specific requirements may vary depending on your location, so always check with your local authorities. Step 1. Choose a name. Select a unique and meaningful name for your LLC. Make sure it's not already taken and complies with your state's naming rules. Step 2. File articles of organization. Fill out the formal paperwork to register your LLC with the state. It usually includes basic information about your business, like the name, address, and members' names. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or company responsible for receiving legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Though not always required, it's essential to have an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, and how the business will be managed. Step 5. Obtain licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you might need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Step 6. Open a business bank account. Keep your personal and business finances separate by opening a dedicated business bank account. Step 7. Comply with tax requirements. Register for an Employer Identification Number (EIN) with the IRS, and ensure you understand your tax obligations. And there you have it, dear souls. Creating an LLC is a powerful step toward turning your dreams into reality. Remember, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, stay positive and keep spreading that soulful light. This is King Soulful, signing off.